Well, the weather is all over the place right now. That can be hard on your HVAC system for sure. But fear not, home comfort experts can help. Seriously, we go from 60 to snow.
Yeah.
What is happening?
I have no idea.
I blame you.
It probably is my fault. Yeah, the weather's crazy. People are running their furnaces. We've had people call in already for air conditioning, not working this. Well, I can't say spring. I want to say spring.
But it's just not happening.
It's not happening yet. But so we've had no cool calls. We've had no heat calls. It's kind of crazy right now. People can feel safe calling us. Come out. The guys are using all sorts of precautions too, in the home, gloves, masks, shoe covers. But yeah, it's hard on equipment too.
It is so hard. Well, we know that it's just hard, period, for a lot of people right now. They may be working from home. They may not be working right now. We've got a lot of people that have been furloughed or laid off or whatever the case may be. The good news is if you have an issue with your system right now, you guys have a deal going on where we can still take advantage of that free furnace and not have to pay for to pay interest for 12 months, right?
It's no interest, no payments for 12 months. So yeah, if you're having issues right now, if you're finding out that your furnace isn't quite going to make it through the rest of whatever we have coming up, or if your air conditioner is broke down already, it's definitely until the 30th of this month. You need to take advantage of that. It's the best sale we have all year with the no interest, no payments, and take advantage of saving $4,000 off the cost. So.
The other thing that you and I have talked about a lot, but I feel like this time of year we can't really talk about it enough, and especially this time of year right now because everybody's in their house so much, is that you may notice that the air quality just not, you've not noticed before, but you feel like, oh my gosh, I just dusted 2 days ago. And yet there's dust all over the place. And that may be because you are throwing dust all over and you need maybe that Remy Halo or some other kind of sanitizing system in your house.
There's a lot of things. For one, you're in your home a lot more now. People create the dust that's in their home, so there's going to be more of it. There's things that you can do, filtration. There's Train Clean Effects filters that we have, dynamic filters that stop dust and dirt down to 0.01 micron, or it's 1/25,000th of an inch. So very small particles from circulating in your home. And they help clean the air. We have stuff like the Remy Halo, ultraviolet lights that can sanitize the air as well. The guys, when you call and have us do the maintenance on your equipment right now, they have everything with them to sanitize your furnace and your air conditioning coil. They're spraying, there's a sanitizer that can spray right on the coil inside that kills viruses. And it's at no charge when they do the tune-up. And it's a $39 value for the customers.
Well, and we just showed that graphic that showed all the things that can be going on. The one that it's up now, what we're all thinking about right now is COVID-19 and the coronavirus. But I mean, the truth is there are a lot of other things we could be protecting ourselves from.
Indoor air quality is so important. I see a lot of nightmares, of course. The technicians, they bring back filters from homes that are just filthy, collapsed, and we hear a lot of the nightmare type stuff. Good air filtration, good indoor air quality is key to a healthy home.
And the thing is, you may not even realize. You may not know that the air you're breathing in your house is not real good.
And that's what the technicians are for when they do the maintenance. Or if you happen to have something that breaks down, they come out, they're going to go through that system, do a thorough diagnostic of it. And, they have iPads, that type of stuff right now. People are wanting to be really close. We're practicing the distancing. They can take pictures of it. They can send it to you. They can record it, get it in your email, however they have to do it, so that it makes it easier for our customers.
Well, they're making it really easy for you, and now is the time. Listen, take advantage of that special that they've got going on. Take advantage of the no payments and no interest for a year. Now's the time to do it. Give Home Comfort Experts a call, 490-5100, or visit them online. We'll be right back.